Hey guys, welcome back to another new video. So in this video, we are going to talk about Windows Phone after a pretty long time. So I did make many videos about Windows Phone, like how you can update your device to Windows 10, how you can sideload, how you can unlock bootloader. Those videos I have uploaded maybe 2 years ago. Most of them are actually still usable, so you can still follow those tutorial to unlock bootloader or update your device to Windows 10. Because recently I have updated all of this device to Windows 10. So today we are going to talk about a specific application which is kind of amazing. So here I have four devices. So this one is Lumia 1520, this one is 720, this one is 925, and this one is 920. I do have other Lumias too. So all these are updated to Windows 10 and I have updated them recently actually. So all of them are working. I have already installed application. So these are the application I have. And I did show you that how you can actually side load application on these devices. Actually pretty easy process. So as I said, today we are going to talk about a specific application. That application is called ImMobile. And you can download this application directly from GitHub. Then you can actually side load the application. So this is the UI. So there are a lot of things going on. First of all, you can check your device specification from here. So which build it is running on and how much RAM or CPU it has. Everything is available here, so you can see here. Also, you can access archive. Archive you can access from here. Also, you can access DeepSeek. So accept DeepSeek, and you can actually write something, and you will get the result. One thing which I'm going to talk about today, which is actually kind of the best feature of this application, is that you can access Windows Store. So if you go to Mega, so you get all the repository what I have showed you in my previous videos, like in this universal tool, which also can install application on your device. So this is actually better than that. By the way, this application can install APPX and APPX Bundle file directly from here. You can download and install. It will install automatically. For the zip file, you have to either unlock the bootloader or you can use interrupt tool to unlock interrupt. So you can use both of them. But here I will show you only APPX file. As I said, I haven't unlocked bootloader on any of this device. So if you go to W10M group, as you can see here, it come up with folders. Now if I go to multimedia players, so as you can see here, there are many applications and most of them will work on your device. So these all are APPX files. So the APPX file logo is something like this and zip file logo is this. So zip file you cannot install, but APPX file should work. So let's try to install something here. So this one is Music Man. Let's try this. So install after download, we can confirm. And it is downloading. And it will try to install. It is installing right now. So installed successfully. So if we check now, as you can see here, Music Man application is here and it is working. So quite easy to install application now on Windows 10 devices. Obviously for zip file, either you can unlock the bootloader or you can set load directly from your laptop. So now how you can install this application. Although I have installed this application on my two devices, so on these devices also I have already installed. So as you can see here, ImMobile and it is here, but not on my Lumia 920. So Lumia 920, I don't really have this application here. So first of all, let's connect to the Wi-Fi and we will go to setting, update and security for developers, and we have to enable the developer option. So developer mode is enabled, and as you can see here, device discovery and device portal. So we have to enable device portal. You can disable the authentication. We don't really need authentication. Now we can use our Android phone or our computer to set load application directly on this device. So I will use my Android phone here. So I have written here ImMobile GitHub, and if we write here, so as you can see here, ImMobile shell with desktop like environment. So you can go here and download the application. ImMobile 1.3.6. I'm going to download this one. So click here and you can go to the asset section. For Windows 10 devices, also for Windows 8.1 devices, it is available. So we'll download for Windows 10 devices. Now we have to extract that actually. ImMobile, I will extract it here. Decompress file. Okay, the file is decompressed. Now you check the IP address of your Lumia phone and write it on the address bar. So this one is 192.168.168.109. So this is the address. So now if I enter, so this website will open. So as you can see here, there are few things available. So like home, apps, process, performance, device, and networking. So we will click on app section. So as you can see here, app package and add dependency. So some of the application do come with dependencies. So you can add dependencies here, but this one actually don't really have any dependencies. So we can just choose the file. So we'll go to APK section and I will go to my download and ImMobile. ImMobile. So the application is here. ImMobile 37.88 MB actually. So if I click here, so the file is selected, APPX file. Now if I press on go, so it is uploading the file and it will install the file. We'll see it here. By the way, you can do it from any devices, like you can use another Windows phone to do that too actually. Also, if you are installing interrupt tool, you can use the same process to install interrupt tool. So as you can see here, the file is appeared. Now if I click on ImMobile, so open and accept. So everything you can see here. So now we can check our device specification directly from here. So as you can see here, how much storage it got, the CPU, the RAM, and everything we can check here. Not only that actually, so as we got the application, now we can go to mega section and we can install application here. So you will go to WP10 and we are going to install a music player here. So let's try M player. So if I click on download and also I clicked install after download, so confirm, it is going to download now. You will see the download bar and the file is downloaded. Now it will try to install. So it is installing now. So installed successfully. Now we can check here. So M player is a Bible. So you can actually install any APPX or APPX bundle file using this application. And you might be thinking why I'm doing this sort of thing, like the store is a Bible, but this store does not really work. On this device, I haven't updated the store yet, so store does not work. But on this, I have already updated, but still it does not work. Microsoft Store, and it is working, but of course there is no application or anything useful here. So there are few applications you can download. Maybe these are for PC actually. Let's try to install one. So as you can see here, it's kind of broken, so you can't really install much here, but you can actually update your existing application if you have any. So download update. So as you can see here, these are the application I have already updated. These are the application I have already uninstalled, so they are not updating. So this actually making the device a little bit more useful. Of course, you can't really browse or do something else here. This is not really that kind of device. For basic users, like for listening music or for playing older stuff or old games, you can still use these devices. And I'm actually playing games on these devices. And another thing is that the camera is actually pretty excellent. Even still, it holds up pretty well. You do get really good shots out of Nokia devices. So if you are trying to install application on your device, this is one of the easiest way you can do that. So that's all about today's video. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the